Few things from myself. We are actively exploring additional markets, particularly ones where we've seen various users, especially from areas like the US, where they're struggling to actually acquire Raptoreum due to the regulations put in place on CoinX and the other exchanges that we're on. Obviously, you can buy and sell on TradeOgre, but that's not exactly regulatory. And this also brings us or connects us. And one of the main reasons why we're doing it for our strategy to expand our reach to larger investors as well, because larger investors, they're not here to cut corners or try and be dodgy or anything like that. They want proper compliance and like they want a paper trail basically. So that's all part of giving those people access to that. All part of our focus that we are going to be pushing on for these to acquire nodes, and we're possibly going to be exploring some easier ways for node acquisition moving forward, although it's still very early days at the moment. And by node acquisition, I mean literally buying a node at a time without having to faff around with sitting there on the market accessing various orders that are less than a node. So it's like I say, it's still early days, but it's certainly exciting to explore these things and provide some solutions that we feel, and also that has been requested to solve some of the issues with acquiring Raptoreum coins to get the job done.